Hey everyone! Today we've got something really special. A 1963 Bentley S3 Continental left to rot in a junkyard, completely covered in dust and rust. In this video, we're gonna bring this classic beauty back to life. Every scratch, dent, and rusted part will be restored to its former glory. Stick around and watch the full transformation. You don't want to miss a single moment of this restoration journey.